Hi everyone, how you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is about how to collect high quality leads from your affiliate blog. Welcome to today's video on how to collect high quality leads from your affiliate blog. So literally, like the title suggests, in today's video we are going to check out three main plugins and tools that you can actually use in order for you to collect high quality leads from your affiliate blog. So the first thing is we're going to check out all these tools. We're going to talk about all these tools. One of it is going to be free, two of it is going to be paid, and I'm going to guide you step by step on the free version, while on the paid version I'm not going to guide you because I'm not using the paid version. And many of y'all, when surely you guys will hesitate of using the paid version, but definitely I will show you the difference between the paid version as well as the free version of plugins. Oh right, so the first thing we got to do is we got to have a WordPress site. Or you can even have a other blog site, but I would highly suggest you to have a WordPress site. So if you don't know how to set up a WordPress site, I have actually released a video series on how to set up a super profitable affiliate marketing blog, part 1 until part 10, where I explain in depth of everything. I tell from how you can actually purchase your domain, how you can customize your website, A to Z, everything would be explained in that particular video series. So definitely check it out. I'm not saying that we call it WordPress is one of the content management system, CMS, but we do not WordPress is not the only content management system available. I definitely would say that to you. A lot of people might be asking me, why are you promoting WordPress? Are you getting money promoting WordPress? No guys, WordPress is free, so I'm not promoting WordPress, and I'm not getting any money promoting WordPress as well. But I'm telling you, because WordPress is the largest, WordPress is the most used content management system out there in the whole world. WordPress is the number one because it's much more user friendly, it's much more easier to use, but it totally depends on the preference of people. So like I told you, the first thing you need to have is you need to have a WordPress site if possible. So you need to have a WordPress site which is a running site, which you have a valid post like this. You have valid post. It's not going to be an empty, because when it's empty you're not going to be driving in any traffic. So if you don't drive in any traffic, you cannot collect leads. So how this whole process works is very simple, guys. The first thing is you need to have a WordPress site, and then you need to write a blog post, and then once you have write a blog post, you have to promote your blog and promote your post so that you can actually drive in traffic into your post or your blog. So once you have a once you start driving in traffic into your blog, the next step would be to collect the leads from your traffic. So that's how it works. Like I told you, I did a video series, right, how to set up a profitable affiliate marketing blog. In that particular video series, I teach you A to Z, guys. How to actually set up a WordPress site, how to customize it, how to write an awesome blog post, how to promote your blog, how to drive in traffic to your blog. So I cover a lot of stuff there itself. So once you have done all that, then the next step is for you to have a plugin where you can actually collect those leads. So the number one plugin currently in WordPress to collect leads is called the Opt-in Master. This is like the one of the best plugins available for you out there, because they have like crazy amount of features. And definitely when you compare Opt-in Master to other plugins, definitely Opt-in Master is much more well popular, and they are definitely much more much more good, because they are way more popular. As you can see over here, increase the number one most powerful conversion optimization toolkit in the world. Actually, they are very they are true, they are very popular, guys. So let's go ahead and check out what they actually offer. As you can see over here, they are very popular because you can actually grow your email list, you can capture more lists, you can increase your sale conversion, reduce cart damn abandonment means you just from your cart you just leave your cart. So you yeah, you they have like these stuffs which can actually reduce the cart abandonment. Then show targeted offers, get more page views. So they have a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, because they have a lot of stuff and they are number one in the market, it's not a free to use tool. However, let me just tell, however, the pricing of the tool is not so expensive. So these are the pricing of the tool. As you can see, you can even get a basic, plan for the opt-in months for $9 per month, which is less than $10. So this is like $19, and this is $29, and this is $40. So the maximum amount of that you're gonna spend with opt-in monster is only $50 per month, and definitely it's super worth it, guys. Like I told you, I'm not promoting opt-in master. If you go to the description of this video, there will not be any link stating that click on this link, you can actually go to opt-in master, my affiliate link, or nothing such as that I'm going to do here, because I'm just telling you what is useful. Definitely opt-in master is very useful. I've used opt-in master previously in my different blog. It is super, guys. You're gonna spend like $30. I only take this plan. That time it was $25. I'm not sure. So I'm not so very sure about that. But then when you actually opt in into the plan, the leads that you're gonna take, the after that, the email marketing that you're gonna do, the sales that you're gonna generate is definitely super high than this, guy. That is 100%. I can guarantee you, because if you do all things properly, 100%. This plan is something that is very worth it. So as you can see, they have a lot of integration over here. Even let's go check it, the opt-in monsters. They have a lot of other features over here, because they are drag and drop builder. They have multiple forms, exit intent technology, detect visitor behavior, and prompt them a targeted campaign, which is something like an AI, guys, artificial intelligence, on-site retargeting, follow-up campaigns, page level targeting, A/B split testing, conversion analytics, effortless management. So there's a lot of stuff which is available in the opt-in monsters, and it's only like maximum $50 per month. And definitely this is not something that you're gonna use, because it's like for 5 sites, so you can actually only use this one, which is already super awesome. And then you can get access to 3 sites, which is already super awesome. So that's the first one that I wanted to talk about today, opt-in master. But definitely, like I told you, a lot of people, you guys don't consider of purchasing paid tools, a paid plugin. So for those who do not consider that, you can test the another one, which I'm currently using on my this blog, which I'm testing with you guys. I'm using this particular plugin, which is called the Hello Bar. As you can see, this is my Hello Bar page. Let me just go to the hellobar.com. hellobar.com. This is because I've already signed up into the Hello Bar. So this is hellobar.com. So blah 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 blah. Let me just, it's free, guys. It's free. Of course, it's not a free software, it's a premium freemium software, where there is a paid version as well as that there is a free version. But the free version itself is super good enough for you, if you ask me, as a beginner starting on with a blog and everything. You're not starting to make money, and that's why you want to see free version, right? If you're already like making $1,000 with your blog per month, definitely you will not go for a free version stuff. You will definitely go for much more serious thing like opt-in monsters or stuff like that. So since you're just beginning, you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey, that's why you want something which is free, and that is why Hello Bar is there. Hello Bar is free, so all you got to do is just go ahead, enter your URL here, then you press the create account, and there will be like a form to actually sign in everything. So once you have actually pressed all these forms, they will actually bring you to this particular screenshot where you need to choose which is your goals, whether you want to grow your email list, you want to target your you want to target a URL which you want to drive a particular, you want to drive the traffic to a particular URL, or you want to make sales which you have promotion, or you want announcement, or you want to call, you want to have like a COD stuff types of stuff, or you want social engagement. So depending on what is your goal, so usually I choose grow my email list. So once you have choose this, it will lead you to this particular page. They are very specific because they are something like an AI as well. So once you have already do all this, they will create a very nice template for you. So after that, they will ask you, since you want to collect your email, which one you want to use. You can actually use this one, a full page pop-up, which is the one that they highly recommend you to use. As you can see, since your goal is to collect emails, we recommend you to use a full page takeover. They're the most successful at collecting emails. Or you can do your own, like custom bar on top or bottom or in the middle or at the side, and this is push notification, which is not there yet. Definitely I would highly recommend you to use the page takeover, this one over here, because they recommend it first thing. And definitely you imagine the scenario, people are coming into your website and the first thing is a full page preview comes there telling them that they need to submit their email and stuff like that. It's like an email collector tool. Definitely it works more better than anything else, but personally I have tried this, so I wanted to use this one over here, slider. So at the site, on the top and right hand side or left hand side, so I wanted to use that. So this is the one that I use. So once you have actually click whatever you want, they will actually give you a template of how it looks like. I told you a slider, so it is over here. But if you want a full page view, they will give you a full page view, and then you can actually go ahead and press the change template button, and then you can actually choose the template over there. Everything is like done for you. You can even auto detect colors from the side. You can do a lot of stuff over here, which is all mostly AI, and then you can start editing each one of these. For example, if you choose this one, you can start editing the text field. You can start editing each one of it. So once you have already added everything, this is how it will look, and you will actually get this code. And this, like I told you, even if you don't have WordPress, you have Wix, you have other stuff, you can actually use it and copy it in your website itself. But since I'm using WordPress, it's very simple. All you gotta do is just copy this thing over here, and then you go to your dashboard, you go to plugins over here, you go to add new plugins, and then you go and search for Hello Bar. So once you have searched for Hello Bar will come here. I've already installed Hello Bar, so all you gotta do is just press Hello Bar, active, install now, and then you press activate. Once you have activated, Hello Bar will appear here. Just press Hello Bar over here, and then you can actually go ahead and just copy this part over here, which one you copy for your template, and then just go ahead and paste it over here. So once you have done that, activate Hello Bar, and I'll show you how the Hello Bar looks like. Just show you, it's not popping up because I started over, right? Yeah, I think that's the thing. So let me just go and paste it back. All right, I paste it over here, then I activate Hello Bar, and then I'm gonna visit my site. Maybe you cannot see, but it will appear here. Just give it a minute. So you're reading. All right, yes, appeared here, as you can see over here. So all you gotta do is just enter your email and press the subscribe button, and then you will be collecting email leads in no time. So these are the two features that I would highly recommend you if you are already starting as a beginner. Definitely use HelloBar because it's free. You'll have more financial freedom to look into other stuff, to spend into other stuff. Don't think this as an alternative, free alternative, because you don't want to spend anything. I already told you guys, if you want to do a professional blog, make sure you are willing to spend money. But sometimes you only have certain amount of budget that you want to spend monthly, so HelloBar can actually help you with that, with the reducing your costing. But don't use it like I don't want to spend anything at all. It does not work like that. So for beginners, I would highly recommend you to use HelloBar, since you can have more freedom in spending your costing. And then once you are starting to make a lot of money, definitely I would ask you to go ahead and choose Opt-in Master. So there is also another stuff which I wanted to show you, another plugin which I wanted to show you. This plugin is actually not a lot of people will use it. It's called the Lead Boxer. So this it's not a free plugin, guys. It's quite expensive. That's why I said there's not a lot of people will use it. So let me just tell you the pricing first. As you can see, this is the pricing for the starter. You have like $80 per month for business, $200 per month for corporate, $400 a month. But when you are actually very good, like you're making good money with your blog, I would actually highly suggest you to go with Lead Boxer. You know why? Because Lead Boxer is a plugin which that you no need to fill up anything, you no need to click anything. Lead Boxer will collect details and data from the visitor visiting your from the traffic or the visitors that visiting your blog without doing anything. As you can see over here, blah blah blah. Lead Boxer constantly works on background to cover unqualified leads, blah blah blah. All this you can see over here. It identify the user, the website visitor, without you need to do anything. Leadbox can begin tracking activity on site and identify who visitor are before even they contact you. So as you can see, you can narrow the specific visitors, company name, work email, company size, web, email activity, and more. So you know how it works? It works like a hacking kind of thing. But recently I found about Lead Boxer. I've not tried Lead Boxer yet, but a friend of mine actually tried Lead Boxer, at the review that he gave me regarding Lead Boxer was super awesome. That's why I wanted to include. I was like, damn, I'm going to include Lead Boxer in today's video regardless of what, because it's so cool, guys. The visitor no need to do anything. It happens to collect your details of your visitor even when the visitor no need to do anything. Visitor buy journey, including their website activities, email open, link clicks, link sharing. It's like a lot of things. Automatically qualify leads. With Lead Boxer, you can set what criteria you want, and they will actually qualify your lead. So this video is all about how to collect high quality leads, right? So Lead Boxer actually does the works for you. So all you gotta do is just go ahead and choose, this is the criteria of the leads that you want to, and Lead Boxer will automatically qualify those leads for you. It's like super simple. Definitely Leadbox is something that I want to try now, and they also have like a 14 days free trial without credit card details, which is awesome. So definitely I would highly recommend you to go ahead and check out Lead Boxer as well, because I want to check out Lead Boxer as well. It works like totally like a hacking system, so I'm so in love with it. So that is how you actually collect high quality leads from your affiliate blog. And keep in mind, guys, whatever I say today, you are not limited to all this. You're not limited to Opt-in Monster, HelloBar, or Lead Boxer. There is definitely a lot of other stuff that which you can use as well. But like I told you personally, I've used Opt-in Monster, I'm using HelloBar right now, so I can actually give a comment on them. And because it's based on my proper my experience and stuff like that. So the Lead Boxer, I never used them before, but definitely I want to use them, and I feel that they are very interesting. They are totally different from the competitors. So Lead Boxer is something that really I want to talk about. That's why I wanted to talk about Lead Boxer. All right, so I really hope that you enjoyed today's video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.